In the quiet town of Willowbrook, an intrepid group known as the Adventure Squad gathers, led by the fearless Alex. Following a cryptic clue, the Adventure Squad ventures into the eerie depths of the ancient mansion. A trap is sprung, trapping the team inside the mansion's dark and forbidden walls. Sam's nimble fingers work swiftly, using her technical prowess to aid in the squad's escape. With agility and skill, Max employs his parkour talents to navigate the treacherous obstacles within the mansion. Alex's unwavering gaze sweeps the shadows, seeking a glimmer of hope amidst the darkness of the environment. A chance discovery leads to a revelation as a secret passage is unveiled, offering a potential path. Unseen eyes watch from the shadows as the rival group schemes in response to the Adventure Squad's escape attempt. United in purpose, the Adventure Squad strides forth from the mansion, their resolve unbroken by the failed quest for the stolen treasure. As the sun dips below the horizon, the Adventure Squad anticipates the challenges and triumphs that await them in their next daring escapade.